Hello guys. Today I'm going to show you how you can make money online for completely free. So if you want to make money online, you need to watch this video to the end. So just watch this video to the end if you want to make money online. So my name is God's Power. If you don't know me, my name is God's Power, and I make videos a way on how you can make money on this my channel. So any way that I've used that I found out that it have worked for me, I will come and share it with you guys on my YouTube channel. So I don't want to take your time. Let us just head right over to this website that we are going to use today, that I'm going to show you that you can go and start using to make money. So we are going to head over to the website. As you can see, this is the website. It's called Future Point. Maybe some of you have heard of this website, which is Future Point. I will explain what these are, how this application work, and what is it about. So this is a software. It's kind of a application. It's an application you can install on your smartphone, and you can still use it on your computer. So you can use it on your laptop, on any computer at all. You can use it, and it's available on your Apple Store. It's available on your Google Play Store. Install the application, which is Feature Point, and start using it. So if you want to use my refer code, is money70. That is my refer code. Money70 is my refer code. So you can check the website out. You can see everything that concerns the website. You can see it say earn reward on your phone or the web with a survey, cashback, and more. So you can earn money using this application on your smartphone, and you can watch video, you make money. You can install application, use it for 2 minutes, you get paid. So you can see how everything works on these applications. You can see they have 4.0 review on Trustpilot, and you can see a lot of review, and you can see that they have some social media. They're on Instagram, they're on Twitter, and they're on Facebook. You can just click there and go and see all those things out. So that is what I just want to show. So to register is very simple. Enter your email and enter your password, and they will register you, and they give you username, and after that you can log in. If you register, they will give you 50 points for just registration, and don't forget to use my refer code so that you can get the 50 point, which is money70. So to sign up once you have registered is very simple. So to register, enter your email and click on register right now, and you will register. It will register you immediately, and you enter your password. Make sure you remember your password, your email, your email, your password, and that is all. And later, when you have signed up, you can go and enter your payments method. You see that they have a lot of payments method here. You see that they have Amazon, they have Steam, they have I think a PS, they have a Xbox, they have a Nintendo, and they have Nike, they have eBay, they have a PayPal, and they have Bitcoin. So they have multiple ways that you can use to redeem your money on this website. So to log in, just click on login once you have registered, like I just explained to you. And once you just click on login, it will take you to a tab where you have to enter your password, and you enter your uh, password and email, or enter your email and password, and you click I am not a robot, and they allow you to register. And after that, you can just start using the website, installing application, taking survey, answering question, watching videos. That is everything you do on this channel, so on this website. So what you do, you watch video, you install application, you use you shop online from your favorite brand website. Let me say Nike, Puma, eBay. They are connected to this website that is called Feature Point. You get paid for everything with this method. There's people that is making a living with this website because they apply their and they invest their time on this website, and with this method they will be able to make more money. So I hope that you will be able to invest more of your time to this website, so that you can be able to make more money with this website. I told you what they do. You install application, you watch video, you take survey, you shop online from your favorite website, and at the end of the day you will see money start flowing and rolling in your bank account. So it's very simple. Right now I'm going to log in, so just wait a second. I'm going to log in my account. So as you can see right now, I've entered my password. I will click on login. Once I've entered my password, I will click on login, and it will log me into my account. So Once it open, you will see everything that I just taught you. As you can see, I have 2,600 and 625 points, which is almost $3 that I have on my account. And as you can see here, I have referred about 47 people to this program. And yeah, so I will show you around. Let me just turn it to English, because as you can see is in French. So let me translate it back to English. um, Translate. Let me translate it back to English so that you guys can understand it. So as you can see, is in English now. You can see this section that says survey is this section here, which is the session of survey. As you can see, you can answer question, 10 minutes question, you get 390 points. 6 minute question, you can earn up to 82 points. You can see it's a survey. You answer question, you see answer those questions and you get paid. So don't miss this survey. It's a question, you answer it, you get paid. And you answer it, you get paid. And yeah, that is all you do. You answer question for the survey session, you get paid. And you can refer people. If you refer people to this program, let me click on the refer now. If you refer people to this program, you get paid. You get lifetime from their earning, which is 50% of their earning. They will be giving you 50% from every person that you refer to this program. So don't forget to use my refer code, so that we'll be earning points from each other. So as you can see, for the refer program, so for the more offers, you click on more offers. You will see that on the more offers section, you see that on this section you can do many things. You can do something, you can do different things on more offers. You will see a lot of bunch of offers, because it's not on my smartphone. If it was on my smartphone, I was showing you this video, you will see a lot and a bunch of offers that you see on this section. When you click on more offers, you will see a lot of offers here. You see different ways that you can earn money. That is why I say you should install the application. With the application, you have multiple way of making money. So with your computer, it's only available for the surveys. You can answer question, maybe you can still watch video. But on your smartphone, if you install the application, which is Feature Point app on your smartphone, it will make you more money. So when you click on win, here is the daily contest. When you click on win, is the daily contest they do. You can win up to 63,000 points. So if you win 63,000 points, is equivalent to almost $500. If you see 63,000, which is the game they have, is a contest. You try to participate, maybe you can be among the winners. So when you scroll down, you will see people that is doing the contest. When you do preview, you will see a lot of people that have been winning money from the contest session. So if you click on this section that say download apps, if you click on download app, you can see that what I just told you, you can see that you can even earn more points by using the application. So if you have if you have installed this application, which is Feature Point on your smartphone, let me say you have more way of and more chance of making more money with this application. So you have to go and install the application Feature Point, so that you'll be able to make more money with this website, which is called Feature Point. So if you click on share, which is what I just showed you, you can refer people and you make money. So that is how that session work. So the other session here is the purchase session. Here you can purchase a voucher code. You can purchase, like, use your point to buy a voucher code. You can buy Amazon, Zalando, any type of voucher code. You can buy them from this website. As you can see, for the payment method, you can see that they can pay you with voucher if you want. They can pay you with PayPal. As you can see, if you click on more with PayPal, let us click on PayPal. You will see that you can make up to $500 for just using this application. As you can see, to get $500, you need to have the minimum amount of points, which is almost 30,000 points to be able to collect this amount. So to be able to get this amount, you need up to 600,000 points to be able to get it. If you have 30,000 points, that means you are already hitting the minimum amount of being able to cash out your money into your bank account. So as you can see, I almost hit $5. I was just saying $3, but I almost hit $5 because I have 2,000 points, as you can see at the top here. I have been redeeming from this app. I will show you later. So yeah, that is how the session works. You can see that they can pay you in different ways. So when we come back again, you can see that they can pay you with Visa too. You can see that they can pay you on Visa, and you can direct the money into your bank account. When you click on $250, you can just win a point. Once you have the minimum amount of points of getting this amount, you will see that they will tell you the total price of being able to redeem to get this reward from featurepoint.com. So when you click on Bitcoin, here on Bitcoin, you can enter your Bitcoin, click on get Bitcoin, and you enter your Bitcoin address, and they will send $10 USD dollars of Bitcoin into your Bitcoin account. So that is how that session work. So that is how everything work here. So I want to say something is that one thing that did not show is the section where you can shop. So you can shop with this website. So on their smartphone, you will see everything on their smartphone because it's on the computer. That is why they are not showing everything, because this website is made for mobile, for smartphone. It's not really made for computer. So why they put computer, maybe there's some surveys you can do that is not requiring a smartphone. They require computer to be able to complete the survey. That is why they try to make sure it's available to on the computer. So that is why you are seeing it on the screen right now. But on your smartphone, you have the possibility of being able to make more money with this website. So let us go to the session where I have redeemed. Let us click on reward. Let us click on the points that I currently have. So when you click on the points, you will see, and when you click on let us look for redemption because it's in French. Okay, let us click on award. Once you click on award, you will see how much I have redeemed from this website. As you can see, I've been using this app for long. As you can see, 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 5 years ago. As you can see, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, 2 years ago, I've been redeeming money from this website till now 2020. Till now 2021. So I'm still using this website, and I'm still using it to make money. You can see the proof that they pay me, payment approved, $5 payment approved, which you can see here. So that is how it works, guys. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that you understand how everything works. I showed you everything that concerns this application and website. So just go and start using this website, which is called Feature Point. And what I want you to do, I want you to subscribe. If you like this video, I want you to subscribe. Just tell me in the comment section below if you find this video very useful to you. So just subscribe and tell me what you think about this video in the comment section. I will say thank you. Just tell me I like the video so that I will understand that you watch this video to the end. So that is it. And don't forget again, smash that like button and subscribe. Don't forget again, smash that like button and subscribe. So that's it, guys. We are going to end the video here right now. So I will say thank you for those of you who watch it to the end, even for those of you who didn't watch it, who just haze out from the video. It doesn't matter. I love you all, and I'll say thank you very much, guys, for watching the video to this end. And yeah, so that is it. So I'm going to end it from here, and I will say thank you very much. And I'm just trying to make sure I still show you guys. You see everything. I showed you how everything work on this website. So I don't know what to think, but I know that this website is a good website. I want you to leave your thoughts in the comment section below, like as I'm always saying again. So thank you very much, guys. I will say peace from here, and see you soon. A way on how you can make money online. Bye bye, and thank you very much. Peace.